Today we're going to be working on some Bluetooth headphones. Complaint: not coming on, not charging. Okay, so it's micro USB. Plugging in the charger. We do have a charge light come on here, a blue light, but it's not taking any current, so no amps, no charge. Okay, let's get this apart. Possibly a failed battery. Okay, so from this side of the board, can't really see much. We have the cable that goes through to the other headphone. 2 screws. Let's remove those screws. Okay. And I already see the problem. What's happened here is this cable has come away from the board. I can see here on these solder joints B minus B plus, so the cable is broken off this solder here. So this is the cable that goes to the battery. The battery is obviously in the cup, so if we're lucky we just solder this back on there and these headphones will be working. Turn the wire a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so now that we've got that cable soldered securely, let's first try power on. Okay, so the device has powered on. And is connected to my phone and it's working. Okay, I'm playing music. Okay. Next up, does a charge. So we're looking for a red light as well as a current draw. We do have a red light and we do have a current draw. Okay, so that's perfect. So it was just a broken wire, easy to fix, and these Bluetooth headphones are now sorted. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.